Bugs. Bugs.
Hey, Papa, can I have it,
What?
please?
But I'm just using it. I just use it right now.
Please.
Okay, maybe next time, Mandy, have a little patience, okay? You have to be patient. Patience is a virtue. You have to wait for the right timing, okay? Okay? Okay, this one. Later, I will get this, It's my toy. Okay? So, guys, ganyan talaga ang buhay natin, no? Kailangan maging patient tayo. At maraming baong pasensya. Dahil pag wala tayong pasensya, guys, mahirapan tayo. Malay natin, yung hinuhukay natin na ginto ay nandyan na after so many years or even decades. Tapos bigla tayong susuko. So, konting pagpapasensya kahit sa araw-araw na buhay, sa ating mga anak, sa asawa, or kahit sa daan, sakali kung nagdadrive kayo, kung di kaya ng isang hinga, siguro dapat mga 2 hinga siguro. At wag na wag po tayong makikipag-usap or mag-desisyon nang tayo ay galit. So, cool down muna at saka huminga again and then compose yourself and be patient. Okay? Now, Mandy, are you done playing with the toy?
Wait, Papa, be patient.
But you've been playing with... Okay. So, guys, yan. Sample. Be patient, okay? So habang naglalaro siya, guys, makipag-usap na tayo, ganyan. At yun na nga, dahil so maraming nangyayari ngayon, maging relax lang tayo at darating din sa buhay natin ang magagandang bagay, you know? Alam mo na, minsan akala mo ay walang ginagawa si Lord, pero hindi niyo pala alam ang plano niyo pala ay syempre laging mas maganda lagi sa ating mga plano. Kaya patience, totoo pala yun. Patience is the virtue. So, are you done, Mandy? Can I have you?
Be patient.
What?
Patient.
This...
Patient is a virtue.
Okay. Okay, so pero para matagal na Mandy.
Here, just have this.
This what? Why? But I like that one. That's mine. Oh yeah, patience guys, patience. So, konti pa. No? Medyo makakuha din natin yan. Mandy, you tell me if you're done playing, okay? I will just so, example na lang ng isa pang example na magiging patient, guys, is kagaya nito ni Mandy. Laging nakatabi sa misis ko. Si misis, hindi ko mayakap. At kung ano mang gustong gawin natin na gusto nating gawin, pero pagpapasensya na lang. So, yun. At are you done with this, Mandy?
No.
Not yet? Tagal na niya na. It's getting so long. I think I should have it. Mandy, not yet? Lord!
Here.
Patawan!
Papa, here.
Pagkat ako'y makasalanan. Makasalan. Fart again? So, that's it, guys. She's gonna fart again.